Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at adding comments to your scripts. It's a super easy thing to do and can make it a lot easier for you or someone else to figure out what your script is intended to do, especially if the script is complex or you haven't looked at it in a long time. To add a comment to a shell script, all you have to do is add a line that begins with a pound sign or text that starts with a pound sign on the right side of some command. To show you why it's important, we're going to look at a script. And here we can see it's awk script. If you know much about awk, you know it's going to run these lines at the beginning, run what's the commands in here for every line that's redirected to it, and then at the end it's going to do this. But still, that isn't quite as good as this one. Here we see, okay, we have our comments at the beginning, one that says, oh, this script lists user accounts in Etsy password, and a usage statement which shows you have to cat the Etsy password file and pipe it to this particular script. And in the sections here, we can see, oh, we identifies the colon as a field separator, and we see over here that field 3 is the UID, and UIDs greater than 1,000 are user accounts. That's why we're only looking at or only dealing with those lines. And at the end, we can see that we're printing the count that was incremented up here for every line in the file. So that is much easier to understand the script than the other one. So whether you're working in Bash, another shell, or a tool like awk, comments can add very helpful insight to your scripts that make it easy to figure out what they're doing and how. Well, that's your Linux tip for adding comments to your scripts. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.